Hello friends and welcome to Dipansh video time. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mouse wheel in Scratch. So first you can pick any sprite you want. I just picked the lightning. Center it to 0, 0. Now, first I want to set this size to 90. Next, forever, go to mouse pointer and create clone of myself. Now, when I start this clone, I also need to delete this clone because of the 300 Scratch clone limit. Yeah, 300 clone limit of Scratch. Now, if your clones go above 300, firstly, your computer will start to lag for a few seconds, and then you won't be able to make any more clones. So that's why. And then when I start as a clone, I'm gonna take out the repeat 10 of change color effect by 25, and in the end, just as normal, delete this clone. Oh my god, that's so cool! See this? Like this, don't you? Now, let me teach you. If you want more effects, let me teach you. You can put a change x by 10 so it goes like this, a zigzag of going, and then if I swirl, see how nice it smoothly goes. If I put it negative 10, it just goes to the opposite direction, which is the left. If I take out the change y by 10, it just goes on one straight line. See this? See the straight line? That's why I like the change y by 10 the most. And then if I put it change y by negative 10, it just goes down. So a line that's going down. Good, so now we have our lightning bolt following us. Now, let's try to make an explosion effect. Explode! So first, over here we will need a pointing direction block. A pointing direction, pick random, 0 to 360. On the top, so this will go on the top, and then a move 10 steps on the bottom. You can just take out the change y by 10, and now as you can see that it just shows this type of effect, which is like many lightning bolts coming on different sizes. Yeah, something like that. Now, let's also make this become smaller and smaller. You can just put a change ghost effect by 5. Now, if I try this, see that my clones are fading away. Cool. And then we can also make this become smaller by change size by negative 8, so it will just make this small size down and down and down. So, you like this piece of code? So, if you like this, subscribe this channel for more videos. And until next time, everybody, Scratch on! So now you have your own mouse trail which will follow your mouse pointer. If you have many ideas for more videos, please put it in the community section of my profile in YouTube. And until next time, Scratch on! Dipansh video time! Out!